Hello everyone, welcome back to the craft room. I'm Diane. I'm so glad you could be here. Today I'd like to share with you a flip through of a journal I just finished. This journal will be for sale. If you stay tuned at the end of the video, I'll tell you all about it. This journal was made with a kit from Natty Moon. It was called Recipe Journal. Excuse me, the journal itself is 8.5 inches tall and it's 5.5 inches wide. There's 52 pages front and back inside. Look at all that goodness. It is stuffed full of handmade ephemera made by me and some we made together. I really had fun making this. I made the cover from a file folder that I covered in fabric, so it's flexible. And I love this fabric. I found this at Hobby Lobby. Isn't that beautiful? This recipe says Grandma Walker's Blackberry Pound Cake. That sounds delicious. Okay, and let's see. Let's just dive right in and see what's inside. So on the front, I used an image from the kit and I backed it onto cardstock. I sewed it and then I glued it to the cover. So there's a pocket here. And I have this cute recipe card in there with a little collage here. This is a piece of shelf liner, the sticky contact paper for your kitchen shelves. This is a printable, and then this is a vintage S&H green stamps. And I put a little whale tail tab on there. Isn't that cute? You can use that for a recipe. And that just tucks right in there on the cover. And then when you open it up, I have a fabric pocket that goes all the way across. So there's one in the front and one in the back. And I have this stuffed with goodies. I have this tag that I made from recipe paper. A little bingo card. Here's a die cut of a milk jug. A little fabric on the tab too. With love from the kitchen of. I thought you could put that here. If you wanted to glue that here, then you could have it as a nameplate or use it in another journal if you want. And then advice from my kitchen, helpful cooking tips that I know. I just thought that was really cute. And there's some tips on the back. I found these pages in a book. Let me pull it out right here. It was called To My Daughter with Love from My Kitchen. And it has, if you find this book, pick it up. It's got great paper inside. All these recipe papers, they're so cute. And I thought the colors went so well with this kit. I love how the red and the blue set each other off. So you'll see a couple of those pages in here. So on the first page here, I have an envelope paper clipped on. This is a kit paper. It has lots of room to write your recipes that you like and blank space on that side. So this envelope I picked up at a thrift store. I did a little collage in the corner here, and then I did a collage on the flap. And this is stuffed with cutouts from the kit. Here's a guest check we made together. Ooh. Gonna have to get all those to go back in there. And then in the back side of the pocket, there's a 50s style recipe card. Isn't that cute? And then I have this along with a journaling card paper clipped with one of my handmade paper clips from a raffle ticket. An altered paper clip, if you will. All that. Oh my goodness. There we go. I know how to use a paperclip. We have this beautiful page from a recipe book all about breads. And here we have a little die cut of an oven. I used the window of a security envelope for the oven door there so you could see through it. Isn't that cute? Got bread in the oven. And then we have a postcard This was from a book of postcards where it was like you were telling everybody where you went and what you ate and then what you thought about it. I thought that was just adorable, and it's pink, so who doesn't love that? So that's in there. And then this tag that I believe we made this one on video together. I love this, especially the little doily up there. The vintage stamps and the vintage wrapping paper. That's so cute. So, and then some tea-stained paper. This is a shopping list from one of our grocery stores here. I made this a tuck spot, so if you have something, let me get a little piece of paper here. You can tuck it right up in there. There's another page from that recipe book. And then on this side we have clipped in a journal card from the kit. And then this is a pocket tag that I made with a recipe page and some Kool-Aid dyed paper there and some stamps. I made this from a textbook, math textbook. I thought that was cute. More of the kit. Some tea-dyed paper. And this little paper was 4 across. It's a cardstock, and it has 4 of these circles with notes. And you were supposed to put like different beverages on there and then make notes about what you think about them, wine or beers or whatever, so that you could do a tasting. I just thought it was really adorable, so I cut the page in half so I could put both sides in here. So you're going to get the full 4 circles, but they're spread out. Some more kit paper, some instructions for broiled chicken, and I glued on this dill pickle bag as a little pocket there. And this is from the kit. I just put a little tab on it there. And this is from the kit as well. So we've got these nice tall tags in here. Isn't that cute? And then we have a silverware bag from a restaurant. And here's a tag. And this apple is from a vintage set of nutrition cards that they used in schools. So it gives you all the nutritional information on the back about the apple. And this is supposed to be an actual size medium apple. I just thought those were really cute. I have a whole bunch of these I found on eBay. I absolutely love them. They're just great for putting in cookbooks and recipe books and things like that. It's just cute. Recipe paper, some more tea-dyed paper. Got a cute little butterfly paper clip on that side. And 2 more of the tags that we made together. And this flips out, so you have a little secret journaling spot there. Okay. So cute. And here I put a fabric ruffle on this side. Here's some more of that tasting paper. And here we have a heart paper clip with a recipe card and a tossed green salad, again with the nutritional information on the back. Those are just so cool. This will make a great like side tuck, or if you put paper on the back you could journal on it. Just really, really cute. And I believe those are from the 60s or 70s. I'm not sure because it doesn't have a date on it, but and here's the other side of the paper bag. And in here we've got some little cutouts from the kit and a journaling card. I did a little sewing on there and put a whale tail tab on it. And then here, this is a stacked pocket from the kit. So I sewed the 3 pieces together and then I glued it on as a tuck spot. We've got a weekly shopping list. Cute. And this tag that we made together on camera with a little yo-yo on the top. Isn't that adorable? I do love that one. I love the ones with the advertising pieces on them. It just makes them stand out. the pocket we have a journaling card that I made, and then this is a vintage receipt for a dinner from 1986. It was only $20 at the Palmer Seafood House. I just thought that was cute. Restaurant, recipes, you know, that works, right? And then in this pocket we have another journal card from the kit. I added a whale tail, and then this little tag I just stamped a oven mitt on there. Okay. And then we have this cute little pocket. I took a recipe page and I folded it over. I added some bingo numbers, and this little yellow circle is actually the top from little grape salad tomatoes, and it's plastic underneath, so it's a very sturdy pocket. I just thought it was so cute. They have these like grown-worthy puns on here. Heavenly salad tomatoes. Wash me. Please don't refrigerate. It's too cold in there. Peel here to let us out. I mean, the dad jokes are just terrible, but I love them. So in this pocket I have a tag from the kit. I sewed on a little tab there, and then a tag that I made from some scrapbook paper. And this is the little tag from my tea bag, some fabric and a scrap of cardstock, and just a collage of different things. I cut this from a recipe book. Alrighty. There's some more tea dye paper that flips out, and I laid placemats on here so you can see the pattern of the placemat from the tea. Isn't that cool? I especially love this side. Look at that color. And crunchy. Sounds nice, right? Some kit papers. Oh, and here's the other half of the shopping list. I clipped with this other little heart paper clip. So cute. Clipped on a glassine bag with some die cuts, some whale tails for you, some vintage stamps, and then some small pieces of the kit. So that all comes with the journal. I don't know why I don't know how to use a paper clip today. Okay, and then this side as well, I made a tuck spot for a journaling card. And here we have a little pocket from cardstock, and I used a silver doily on there. Here we have a recipe tag. This is one of the pages from the kit. Fold it up. And then we have this Project Life card. I did a little collage on the front with a cutout and a handmade label and some vintage S&H green stamps. I love to use green stamps in recipe books. They're so cute. And then this little pocket, we have this fold-over recipe card. I believe this is vintage. I don't have a year on it, but it looks like 80s or 90s from Betty Crocker. And then this tag that we made, I believe we made this one together on video, but I like this as well. I love the advertisements. This little lace is so cute. Now on a lot of these I left the strings long and hanging, dangling, but if you like a neater look, if you buy this, you can always clip those off. You don't have to leave that, of course, obviously. Once you purchase it, you can do whatever you like to it. There we go. And then in the back pocket, we have a guest check with a collage on it. I'm pretty sure we did this one together with the little wrapping paper. And then, whoop, there's a tag with a little pocket. And then we have a recipe card. This one's from 1994. And a different kind of recipe card. And there's my stamp. There's my face. Hello, Diane. And then the back is just the fabric. So that was fun, right? I hope you enjoyed the little flip through of this journal. I will be selling this journal if you're in the US for $20, shipping included. If you're interested, please message me. I'll leave my email address in the description box down below. And I hope you enjoyed the kit. And rush over to Natty Moon and check out her digitals. She has so many kits and such a wide variety of styles. I think you'll find something that you love there. You just have to. There's so many. Well, thank you for joining me again. I hope you'll come back and see my next adventure. And we'll see you later. Bye.